Good morning, everyone. It's me, Khushi Sunar, and today I'm gonna talk about the application of C programming language. Do you know C is one of the oldest programming language, yet it powers some of the most powerful system of this world, like operating system and embedded system. In my presentation, I would like to discuss what makes C so powerful and highlights application of C language. So without wasting my time, I would like to explain my presentation. So in my presentation, I have mentioned 5 application of C programming language. They are operating system, embedded system, network process, database management system, and game development. The first one is operating system. Operating system is often explored as a part of an system programming, and C provides its low-level access to its memory. And with the help of C programming, operating system code runs so smoothly and reliable. The features of operating system is file management, memory management, process management, and security management. These all features run smoothly because the help of C programming language. And most importantly, the main core of the operating system, which is kernel, it is also written in C language. The second one is embedded system. In C programming language, embedded system is used due to its portability and efficiency and capability to interact with the hardware directly. Embedded system is a specialized computing system which is designed to do a special task. Special tasks often in memories like energy consumption and process management. And the third one is network process. Network process involves the network communication all over the world. Network process develop networking software such as protocols and routers. Network process typically rely on the API socket. The API socket helps to provide necessary tools to create, bind, and retrieve the data all over the world. And it is typically work like connect the socket, bind the socket, listen to the connection, and accept the connection and close the socket. The fourth one is game development. Game development is an exciting domain in C programming language. It provides low-level access to the hardware. Because of the portability of C code, we can run our game in one system to another system without being rigid. C code helps to make our game development a more reliable and realistic way. In 21st century, there is a high demand of game, and C has a key role on this. The fifth one is database system. C is the foundation of development in database system. It helps to transmit, retrieve, store the data. And in C programming language, it helps database management system to manage its file and its data. And in C, helps to make the high performance database system. So most oftenly, C code is used to make a database system. These are the 5 applications of C programming language. I hope you got a clear-cut concept about the application of C. Now, I would like to conclude my presentation. Before that, I would like to thank Aryabhata sir for giving this opportunity to speak in front of you all. Now, I would like to conclude my presentation by saying that C is not just a programming language, it is a foundation of many system software. With the help of C code, we can develop and invent many more softwares and websites. And it helps to enhance the system software and many other technology in upcoming near future. Now, I would like to thank everyone. Thank you.